Put your trust in me, Eugene H. Krabs, proud proprietor of the Krusty Krab, the exclusive home of the one and only Krabby Patty. By the amazing Larry and his stupendous feats of strength. Get your paws in by the mysterious Madame Bird, the swimming swami. Cringe at the hideous sight of Harry Carey. And after you've had your fill of me cuddly games, swim on by the Krusty Krab and get your hands on the patty sensation that's sweet in the ocean.
Okay. Is that everything, Patrick?
Yep. That's all the boxes, SpongeBob.
Patrick, people are already in line. We gotta hurry up and get this gaming stuff unpacked. Sea tomatoes? Burger buns? Frozen patties? Patrick, this isn't Carnival game equipment. These are all ingredients for delicious Krabby Patties.
Wow! I was wondering why all these crates smelled so good.
Mr. Krabs is gonna be so angry.
Stop clowning around, you two. Mr. Krabs needs to get these carnival games up and running pronto.
Well, it's too bad we can't just use this stuff.
Patrick, your genius is showing. No, I mean we can just use these Krabby Patty ingredients for the games instead.
Oh, yeah! Smart!
Now let's get this stuff unpacked.
National announcement. Here at Mr. Krabs' Carnival Games, walking is a thing of the past. Travel between Midway booths with ease would be very old carnival carts.
All I need is a few ingredients, and the Krabby Patty secret formula will finally be mine.
Looks like you got the right idea. Pop, pop, pop. Is this thing loaded? I'll take that as a yes. Wow, some of you are really good at missing those bubbles. Great job, everyone. Now head on over to my pal Squidward at the basketball toss. See you later.
Welcome to the basketball toss. Shoot hoops for fun and prizes. Whatever. Fair warning, Patrick's hosting the next game. Now scram!
Ready to smash some plates? Here we go! Yeah! Oh, break those plates! Smash! Smash! Oh, all these frozen patties are making me hungry. Nope, still hungry. SpongeBob!
That was my chance.
Come to Papa!
Uh-oh.
It's the onion ring toss. Just adventure, right? I love onions. Here we go.
Just one little ring. Oh, hey! Whose side are you on anyway? Not again!
What's wrong, SpongeBob?
I just love onions.
No! Oh, this food is making me so hungry!
That gives me an idea for a new game. Follow me. All right, Patrick. A whole bunch of Krabby Patties coming right up. They're ready. They're ready. Now presenting in the schedule ring. It's time to feed Patrick.
Patrick, feed Patrick!
More Patrick's over here.
More!
He's still hungry.
What do you boys think you're doing? All those Krabby Patties are costing me money!
Oh, it's better than that, Krabs. Once I get this Krabby Patty back to my lab, nothing will stop me from learning the secret formula. You'll never catch me, coppers!
Oh, no! Don't let him get away!
2 points! Come on, baby, come on!
Get out the lab. Hurry.
Smash it!
My lab! Not my beautiful lab!
Minutes later.
Well done, everyone! You stopped plankton and saved me restaurant! Now let's see how you did on me carnival games! Not too shabby. I've seen better. Now to celebrate, why not head over to the Krusty Krab and buy some delicious Krabby Patties?
Mr. Krabs, we can't make any more Krabby Patties. We used all the ingredients for these games.
SpongeBob